Alright, I'm back. As you can see, or not see, we are at the Island Auto Repair. Taking the Blue Beast in for parts are in, so hopefully we're going to get it back with good running order. We can start taking trips again. A little noisy outside here, but I'll give you a view around. Next door, they've been digging up the road here. They just resurfaced it, so most of the traffic has been blocked off from this area. You gotta love those big motorcycles. Not big, just big sounding. They're not very big at all. Probably at 150. Anyway, here we are. Got a few. There's a 150. There's one just like ours. A 125 with a top box. That's what this is. I'd like to get one of those on ours, but I think before that happens, we'll probably end up getting a bigger one, or one that's a little more rider friendly. Jocelyn's not happy with the sitting on the back of that thing. Is not comfortable. So here we are. I left it running. You want me to turn it off? I left it running. You want me to turn it off?
It's okay.
This is the garage. You can see it. Bay 8. There's double bays. So if your car ends up in front of one that's long-term repair, you're stuck. So they're trying to figure out how to move cars around now, because this guy's probably trying to leave. Touch it, babe.
Yeah, it's in the car.
It's in the car. Good luck.
Backing up. I don't want you to run.
Yeah, me either. Good luck getting up in there. Busy place this morning. It's
Busy.
yeah.
Yesterday, Mom Francis said that they're busy. So if we're gonna take the car there, like past
Right.
2 o'clock, it's not gonna happen.
Not gonna be ready.
Ready. So we'll stop.
All right. Well, there it is. You might have to straighten it out a little or not. I don't know, but it's here. So we'll figure out how long it's going to be, and we'll take off and go somewhere. Okay. Till later. All right. So they were already out test driving it, which should be good. The bad news, it didn't take long, maybe an hour or less than an hour right now. The bad news is he said It looks like the plugs are rusty, so the head gasket's probably leaking water into it and rusting up the plugs. Which probably doesn't help it run properly. I don't know. The car's old. I don't know how much longer we'll have it. We thought we'd be able to keep it another year, but the question is going to be, how much more money do you put into an old car? Now it needs a head gasket, which I'm hesitant to do because that's, I mean, the things here aren't as expensive as being in the States, but that's still a pretty big job. As anybody that knows about engines, you take the engine apart, probably got to pull it out of the car. Could be a couple day job. Yeah. What's that?
It's not too far. They
Yeah, okay. All right.
Yeah.
We're gonna walk down and pay the electric bill.
Yeah, they're testing it
On a hill.
On a hill. That's
Yeah. Good idea.
Yeah, that's what I said.
All right, so we're walking to the electric company. There's a cheesecake place right there. And what is this? Church of Latter-day Saints.
Over there. But
Right here.
Yeah, but this one.
That's probably where the minister lives. That's where all the money goes.
No, I see in American one time live there.
Oh, so it's an American lives there, same color, fence, same everything. Yeah, he's the minister. I'm sure of it. That's the church. So anyway, I thought I would do a little video as we walk. This must be the parish house. They got lots of money. Have their own parking lot, which is hard for a lot of churches in the area. Is this Camella Homes across the street? Yeah. Not Camella?
Huh?
Not Camella?
Oh, no.
No. Just a subdivision. They're all the same color, that's why I was wondering. Oh, they have the little bakery and store. Hello.
Tierra Verde.
Huh?
Tierra Verde.
Yeah. And what do we have here? St. Anne's School, Subic. Nursery all the way up to high school.
Hey.
Hello.
Morning.
Good morning.
What's up?
Just on a walk. Doing a little video for my YouTube.
It's school, St. Anne's School.
Yeah, St. Anne, I see that. A lot of students?
Yeah. It's not only the student.
Yeah. My wife's leaving me behind. Look out. Be careful on the sidewalk. Could fall into the stormwater drain. This is the bypass road. It bypasses the downtown Subic area. And that's, they filled that all in within the last year. And I don't have my mic, so I'm gonna have to try to speak up because it's very noisy out here. Yeah, I know. Stormwater drain. It's not very safe for walking.
No.
They filled that all in. I don't know if they're putting in a hotel, resort. Yeah, I know. I see it, babe. Or
Now it's
a mall.
same company, Tierra Verde.
Oh, housing. Yeah, but they're gonna build something in there.
Right.
Commercial.
A little more or not.
Mall or hotel or something. Resort. Starting to get a little warm out. I don't know what this is. This wall has gone for a bit. Just saw some fence posts in the side of the road. That thing just cut off 3 or 4 inches above the street. So if you run over them, you're gonna pop your tire for sure. Somebody looking for a fare. We should be coming up on it here pretty quick, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's this place? Just another subdivision?
Yeah. Alta Mia.
They have some renters in there. Oh yeah, here's an electric company right here. Yeah, look out for you. Don't be walking on the sidewalk. This is the electric company. Zamico. Works pretty good most of the time. You lose power at the most inopportune times, but it doesn't usually stay out for long. Watch it. Here we are, electric company.